Most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe to show your support.
Welcome to part 1 of the series, and in this video, I am going to teach you how to export the Palmer penguin model using Pickle. Without further ado, let's jump right in. We will start by creating a virtual environment. Now, let's deactivate the virtual environment and install the Python modules that we need. It might take some time, so please be patient. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now to the fun part, create a folder for model building and we start coding. I will be guiding you slowly. We will first import all the modules that we need. First is sklearn. Then it's pandas. Then Pickle. It is a module for exporting the model that we will be needing afterwards. Now we will obtain the clean CSV of Penguin's dataset from the URL. Now, we will separate X and Y from the data frame.
Now it's time for Ordinal feature encoding, and I will explain what I am doing right here in a moment.
A copy of the data frame is obtained. We will set the attributes to be predicted. Feature encoding. A dummy data frame will be generated for the columns listed in encodes and replaces the original columns. The dummy data is represented by either 0 or 1. Now, we will map every target, which is the species, to a number. Now we will return the encoded value according to the dictionary that we have just created. We will encode the species using the function that we have just created. Now we will separate target from the data frame. We will build the random forest classifier. Now it is time to export the model using Pickle. I will try to build it now to make sure there is no problem. Seems like there it is throwing me errors. Let's debug it. Seems like I have found the error after a while. Seems like I should have extracted the CSV from the raw file instead of the original one. Let's try it this time and see if it works. Finally, the model file is being built successfully. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video as I will be building the penguin species prediction app with this model. Thank you for watching.